In this video we're having a look at this Parkside 20V cordless compressor, model PAKT 20LIA1. It has a maximum working pressure of 11.1 bars and 25 litres per minute. It comes with 4 adapters but without a battery or a charger. It has an LED work light that comes in handy if you have to inflate a tyre at night. It can display the pressure in bars, PSI, kilopascals or kilograms per square centimetre. It can be used to inflate car and bike tyres, air mattresses, inflatable toys and sports equipment. It has an auto shut off when it reaches the set pressure. It was made by Grizzly Tools in China. Inside we have the instruction manual and the tool itself. The compressor looks similar to other green Parkside tools, but it feels a bit above the average in terms of build quality. The hose is 65 centimetres long, which is long enough, and it comes with this annoying clamp valve adapter attached to it. It will be the first thing I remove after the video. Notice that the main valve has a plastic lever. I guess that will be the first thing to break. To the front of the unit we have the other 3 adapters. One for bicycle valves, one for footballs, and one for inflatable toys. In front we also have the LED work light, in case you need to inflate a tyre at night. This is the air release button, in case you need to deflate the tyre a little. The control panel has a small display and membrane buttons. We'll have a better look at the functions in a minute. The handle is covered in rubber, and so are the feet and the hose clamps. For testing, I will use this fully charged 4 amp hour battery, but they say on the box that it also works with 2 amp hour batteries. This clamp is really annoying. The mode button switches between bars, kilopascals, kilograms per square centimetre and PSI. I will leave it to bars. You can adjust the set pressure in 0.05 increments. Long pressing makes it scroll faster. I will set mine to 2.3 bars, since that's the pressure required by the tyre I'll be inflating. As you can see, it stops when it reaches the set pressure. It is quite noisy, but that is to be expected for a compressor. It even says on the unit that it has 91 decibels. Anyway, time for some testing. These are 14-inch wheels on my mom's Polo. For some reason, this one is deflated a little, despite it being a new tyre. And I mean deflated for real, not just for the video. I will take it to a service and see if it's got a nail or something. As you can see, the compressor remembers its last setting, and this is the actual tyre pressure, just 0.45 bars. Just for the test, I will completely deflate the tyre to see if the compressor has the power to lift the car and also how long it will take to inflate it from flat. It took only 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Not too bad for a battery-powered tool. The case is not warm at all, not even a little. Also, the battery still shows 3 lines. Now let's test it with something that has a lot more volume, my inflatable water donut. One minute and 36 seconds. Not too bad. I'm not sure I'd try it on an air mattress in one go, but with proper breaks to cool off it should work. The battery still shows all 3 lines, and the unit is not hot at all, except the hose, which is normal. The only part I don't like about this compressor is the main valve clamp, which does not rotate and also has a plastic lever that doesn't look like it will last. Other than that, it is a great unit that will save me from hauling the regular compressor to the street when I want to do my tyre pressure, but I won't keep it permanently in my car since it is battery powered. This compressor is part of a lot of 3 new tools released this week. If you want to see reviews of the other 2, make sure you subscribe to the channel.